Okay, so I thought I'd try this using your phone as a microscope, and yeah, it works pretty well. Um, so I'm going to solder up this D1 mini lighting shield, and we'll just see how it goes. It's a little bit tricky just to get the coordination, but once you get in the right area, it seems to work fairly well. Well, he says. Huh. Okay, obviously not as fast as if I was really looking through a stereo microscope, but obviously I don't think I'd want to be doing surface mount soldering, or is it soldering, since I'm in the USA. I don't know. Oh, by the way, the noise in the background is the washing machine. I'm in an apartment. Yeah, this it's not terribly easy, but it is doable. Well, if you don't have your loop or whatever you use, then it's actually reasonably easy to use your phone as a microscope. There, what about that?